Good morning. I have tried to start this vlog so many freaking times, but I think today is just gonna be the first day and we're gonna start this vlog all over. So today is Saturday. It's about 10 a.m. It's almost 10 a.m. in the morning and I'm at the gym right now. I keep on trying to be consistent at the gym. Like, I've been consistent with YouTube, I've been consistent with TikTok, and like I've seen those bloom. I don't know why it's so hard for me to like be consistent in the gym. Like, of course I was consistent, but I've never been consistent with the gym. Like, I'm seeing results in those areas and I'm not seeing results at the gym because I'm not going consistently. So I'm gonna try to go consistently. So today is day one again. I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna do mostly cardio, honestly, and after that, as you can see, my hair looks a mess. So I'm about to get some fresh braids for my mother. I have to do a wig review today, like a wig install video for a brand that's due Monday, so I have to do that. And then I think after I go to the gym though, I think I am gonna stop at Target. Let's go to the gym. Hopefully it's not a lot of people. I'm wearing my Ivy Park today. You can't tell because I have a hoodie on top. I should have got the pink hoodie. Duh, Courtney. A lot has happened since I've done a vlog. Like, I got monetized on TikTok and on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for the love, for the support. I'll check in with you guys when we get inside the gym. I'm gonna hopefully vlog. Let's go.
If they hating, got a price to pay. California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the Bay. Damn, but we don't never trip. All I know is gas, brake, dip. No, we never trick on that. No, I can't quit. No, I.
This is the one I'm talking about, but they only have shampoo. They don't have a conditioner. But it smells so good, like peppermint. Alright, y'all, so really quickly I want to show y'all, because I didn't end up getting any like hair products. I basically just got drinks because I love this kombucha flavor. It's the strawberry glow, and I literally only see it at Target. And then also literally this morning when I put on my Fenty Beauty sunscreen, I was like, I need a sunscreen with no scent. So I picked up the Black Girl sunscreen, and then I just got some sparkling water, but that's boring. I have been looking every type of way on this vlog. Let me put my hood on. Y'all, I look crazy today. Right now, I'm on my way to Target. I need to get some hygiene stuff. Also need to go get some food. So I'm going to go to Chick-fil-A to get like a little salad as well.
It's the Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. And through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with balls and no strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. Yeah, bitch, stop watching. My neck is glossy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah, I want it.
Before I kind of like go do my hygiene routine, I want to open up this box. I think I've talked about them before. If I haven't talked about them on my channel, I've definitely mentioned it. I think I have talked about it on my channel, but if not, or if you don't remember, I definitely mentioned it in a vlog or something. Maybe it was a vlog. But anyways, this is a Black-owned skincare brand known as Topicals. They are now on Sephora, which is really exciting. Like, you guys don't understand. This is a Black women-owned skincare brand. So when they reached out, I was like, of course, because I've already shopped with them and already bought these products. So like, why not? This is Topicals. I believe they only have 2 products out right now, but you know, they're an upcoming brand, so they'll definitely be coming out with more soon. So this is really exciting, right? Because they're in Sephora now, but I will have a discount code and like a special link down in the description box if you want to save some coins. But they have 2 different products, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm not gonna really open these because I already have some open because I've been using them. But this is from Topicals. They have 2 products out. They look like this, And I'm gonna talk about the faded skin, like the faded serum first. So this is a serum. It is really good for hyperpigmentation and discoloration. So it kind of brightens and clearing. It's a brightening and clearing serum. So I've been using this on my chin. I recently got stitches earlier in this year, and I was just not a fan. I was really thankful because it was only on my chin and you can't really see it, but I really wanted the scarring to go down, and this has helped a lot. It looks like this, but I'm going to show you guys my faded, what I already own, so I don't have to open this one up. But yeah, so this has been working really well. But honestly, you guys, I'm saving the best for last because of course I bought this, but I bought it as a duo. And they sent me the duo as well, so you might want to just get both too. Another thing that I really struggle with, and I bought this in the winter time because like I said, I received stitches like in January sometime, like early January, and I was like, it was really dry outside, and so when I saw this hydrating mask, I was like, yeah, let me just get both, because I was originally just going to get the faded. But the second product is the hydrating mask. So this was like my secret weapon. Like I wasn't sure if I was going to absolutely love this, but I actually do. It's a hydrating mask, but what's the great thing about it, I haven't even used it as a mask yet. I've really been using it as a moisturizer. So if you use just the tiniest bit, it's so good as a moisturizer, you guys. My skin just always looks super glowy after I do my skincare routine because I just use a little bit of this on top. So yeah, these are the two products. Like I said, they're Black women owned business, now available at Sephora, but if you want to use my discount code, then definitely shop with my link and use my code. What's up, y'all, and happy Friday. Right now I'm on my way to FedEx. Actually, I need to ship out a couple orders. I have 3 orders to ship out from my wig sale earlier this week. So I'm on my way to FedEx right now, and my sisters and my mom and I have dinner reservations at Uncle Julio's. So that's why I'm kind of like on the fence about this, because I just you guys, I just don't want it to be a long line there. And if it is a long line, then I probably can't stand in it because I have to get home so I can ride with my mom so we can go to Uncle Julio's. I'm gonna go to Ulta and I'm gonna go to Sephora tomorrow just because I really want to get the Kat Von D cream foundation. It just looks so good, so I want to see if they have it at my local Ulta. And then I need to go to Sephora because I want to try the new Fenty tinted moisturizer. These brands have been so good with their marketing, just creating like products that make me want to do makeup again. I also purchased the Lizzie McGuire ColourPop collection today too. So yeah, I've been spending a lot. But oh my gosh, and also today they announced the Boohoo X City Girls collab. I was not expecting that. I was like, oh my gosh, like my poor wallet. The stimmy needs to hit. The stimulate needs to hit so I can boss up on y'all. Like as soon as my stimmy hits, y'all, expect a maintenance vlog because your girl needs to get her lashes done, her nails done, her feet done. I want to do a brow lamination because the kits be like $40, child. I want to do a brow lamination. I want to do a little mini staycation, like just one day for the girls. Like, yeah, the stimmy better hit next week. Like, I don't have time no more. Like, everybody's check has gone with the wind, has come and gone, except mine. Mine never came. But anyways, y'all, that's it for today. I will check back with you guys when I get to FedEx. Hopefully, fingers crossed, nobody's in there, but you never know.
It ain't safe round here.
Saturday. I didn't really end the vlog, so yeah, today I think I told y'all yesterday that I was planning to go to Sephora today, so that's where I'm headed. I'm gonna go to this like further out mall just because I really am craving some Korean hot dogs too. I call them Korean hot dogs, but it's literally just a giant mozzarella stick because I never get the sausage in it. But yeah, so that's where I'm headed right now. I just wanted to check in because I didn't really like end the vlog yesterday, so every time it's a new day I just want to give a little introduction for the girls, okay?
Mr. Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things.
What's up, core crew? It is Sunday. I always feel like every time I'm at a stop, I just try to put on my shades. Like, I look so pale, like, ooh, okay. Happy Sunday. So today is a filming day, but it's also, you know, my family dinner night. So I'm actually on my way to the grocery store. I am planning to remake a TikTok that I see. It's a guy on TikTok that I follow. I also follow him on Instagram. His name is Kobe Cash. What I'm making tonight is like a spicy garlic noodles. So I printed out my grocery list and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Starbucks and then the grocery store, and I'm gonna film, and then I'll like show you guys me cooking it because it's not that many ingredients. I feel like once I just hope it's good because we're always like running out of ideas for us to eat for dinner. Like we always do the same stuff. We do
25
salmon.
mph speed limit, camera ahead. Please watch your speed.
She loyal. It's like 10 in the morning. I didn't say that, but it's 10 in the morning, so I'm hoping that people aren't really up right now and at the grocery store, because when I went the last time, oh, it was hella people.
Mr. Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be light up with calls and no strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. Got this, stop watching. My neck is glossy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah, wearing no ring, but ain't gon' be no misses. But matching diamonds for 6 of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we tell therapy, my no addiction. Whoever said money can solve your problems must not have had enough money to solve them. They say which one, I say nah, I want all of them. Happiness.
What's up, y'all? So I'm about to film my Fenty review, so I'm super excited. I'm just gonna keep on this wig because I need to do a wig review too, but I kind of wanted to do my makeup first. I'm about to do that, and then I'll probably check in with you all when I start cooking later today. It's about 12:30. It's 12:30 right now. I put the groceries away, so yeah, I'll check in with you all when it's time to cook.
Mr. Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes